Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can update your Messenger app to the latest update. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments after watching this video. Let us get started with you. So, if you want to update your Facebook Messenger app, then you will need to open the App Store on your phone if you have an iPhone or Google Play on Android. Next, type the word Messenger into the search box. Click on it. And as you can see, the Facebook Messenger app comes up. Click on it. And here where I have it now saying open, you'll have the word update. You click on it. Wait a maximum of half a minute for it to fully load. And then your Messenger app will be updated and you can enjoy using the newer updated features in the app to communicate with people. That's the very simple way you can get a new update in Messenger. I hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.